Good morning. Happy Earth Day, April 22nd, 2020. Earth Day is every day though, and I wanted to show how easy it could be to find alternative products that are simple, convenient, organic, natural, non-toxic, and detoxifying. So this is wonderful. It's a powder from the Dirt natural toothpaste, but it's literally a powder, and you just put some on your toothbrush and a little bit of water or maybe some coconut oil and brush away. Pretty cool. Leaves, this is actually one of my favorite natural toothpastes other than what I make myself, but it leaves you feeling really clean, crisp, without leaving buildup and such, and coupled with this copper tongue scraper, which is probably one of the best things you could do for your health in removing icky stuff, to put it bluntly, and toxins and bad breath odors and things like that. So much better than any mouthwash I've ever used. For mouthwash, cleaning between the teeth where you just can't really get to, coconut oil pulling or any other kind of pulling with oil really gets in the crevices, cleans out the toxins and buildup, and also leaves me, anyway, I know a lot of people who love this, but it makes a clear difference in my skin and my overall health, but also leaves my mouth feeling clean and free from debris and free from plaque and whatever. I actually don't even like coconut oil. I don't like coconut, but I do it because I know of its benefits and I appreciate its health effects on me. So with coconut oil, other than pulling, what I do is I take some from just straight up coconut oil and put it in a jar. This is chunky, you know, like when you put it in your mouth, the warmth of your mouth will melt it. You don't want to spit it into your sink either. You want to spit it into a receptacle. But basically you take straight up coconut oil. You know, you're going to use more than that, but for the sake of the video, take a capsule of activated charcoal, or which is actually, it's organic and non-GMO. One of my favorite products, favorite brands from Shazandu, and this is Garden of Life Rare Extra Virgin organic, non-GMO, etc. Everything I use, I try to use the best that I can find. Sometimes you have to make adjustments, but for the most part, I really do try to find the best. And you know, with that, like everybody, we do fall off track sometimes, and we do go for, you know, uber convenience, or oops, I don't have a product, or the product isn't the best I could find right now. You know, it is what it is. But every little change, every moment we can make a change for the better is better overall in the long run. So I try. So this is a capsule which you can take internally, which I do, but also I open up the capsule and put it in, and it is black. I mean, it will definitely stain your clothing. It will leave a residue on your sink, and you want to be careful with it. But basically, I would put definitely more coconut oil in here and mix it up. And I would use this as my toothpaste, coupled with Actually wouldn't, with this one I wouldn't put the oils in, but you can also do the same process, and your teeth are going to look black, you're going to look ridiculous, but it works. For whitening, for cleaning, for detoxifying in a great way through the oral cavities, through the spaces between your teeth. It really does benefit you in more ways than one. But you could use the same technique with coconut oil, with some pure baking soda, and maybe drop in some spearmint or some other cinnamon or some other type of food grade oil that is beneficial. They all have their own health benefits, and give it that, pleasant taste that's a little more, what's the word, that we're used to, a little more of our common taste associations with oral products. Anyway, happy Earth Day. Enjoy your simplicity. And these products, by the way, do not harm Mother Earth or water tables or our bodies, our pets, our children. It's all good. Love you.